What's up guys, back again. It's your boy Brandon with the 91 Miata. Today we're going to be replacing the starter. I believe it's bad. My car won't start. Hoping that the starter is the problem. Once we get under the hood, once we get under there, we'll be able to test it a little bit and see if that is the culprit or not. But that's today's project. And before we get started, I just want to say to you guys out there, make sure you guys do your research. You know, check out YouTube videos, check out forums, try to make sure you know a little bit of background about the job that you're getting into before you get started. You know, you always want to do your research and double check what people tell you on YouTube. So with that being said, let's get it, guys. All right, for this job, you're gonna want to get yourself some 1/2" extensions, 1/2" breaker bar. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can get at Harbor Freight. That's where I got this stuff. You definitely want to go with 1/2". Just a tip here. Put a little bit of electrical tape on your swivel to stiffen it up so it doesn't move on you as much when you're trying to guide it from the back of the transmission. And this is how it sits in the car. That bottom bolt right here, that top bolt that I pointed at earlier. And then you got that other one right there. So you got the 1, 2, 3. These two are for your bracket, and these are your powers. And that right there is the bracket. And you can see it bolts on right there. See if it'll focus for you guys. Bolts on right there. See the bottom bolt right there. And that's about as good as view I can get from this angle, guys. This bolt right there. Can't really see that one. There's another one at the top right there. And your power connection. So I just want to fill you guys in on what happened with the whole starter situation. It ended up not being the starter. We ran a separate 12 volts directly to the starter, and it was trying to kick over the motor. So the starter was good. I just have some other kind of strange electrical problem that I have no idea what my issue is now. So back to square one. So it wasn't the starter. Me and my pops don't really know what's going on with it. There's something to do between the battery and the ignition. So somewhere in there, I got some funky issues going on. So instead of dicking around with it all day and wasting hours and hours and hours of time trying to figure out what the hell the real problem is, me and my dad just ran a separate 12 volts with a little push button directly to the starter. So now I just jump in my car, turn the key forward to the on position, and then I just press the little button to actually turn the starter over. So that's my new setup, and hopefully that works out for me for a little while. Honestly, I don't really give a shit if I have to turn the key forward and press a special button. Kind of makes me feel like I got something newer with the push to start features. That's pretty cool. But yeah guys, so it wasn't the starter. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to put out the starter video with it not being the starter because I actually didn't take it out of the car. So pretty much I went back to AutoZone and returned that. But I did do a lot of research on how to take the starter out and all that process. So I hope that this video helps you guys out a little bit. It's just unplug the power, and then you have that little bracket bolt that holds it on to the car itself, and then you have the 3 bolts that you have to take out on the actual housing of the starter, and then the whole starter should just come right out, and then put the new starter in the same exact way you took the old one out. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Sorry I didn't actually take the starter out, but hopefully this video helps you guys out if you're in need of changing your starter on your NA Miata. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers sometime soon. That'd be awesome, but I can't do it without you guys. So have a good day, peace out, and enjoy life.